Today in Kindergarten Phonics, we're on lesson 69, making new words by changing the first letter in words. This is the state standard, and in kindergarten we have to be able to manipulate sounds. So we listen to the sounds in words and we can move them around and make new words. Today you're going to need some letter tiles or magnetic letters. Actually, you don't have to have those, just something to write with will work for you again today. And now we're going to jump in and practice our sight words. So I hope that you've already read this word on the screen, but why don't you start reading these words with me? Am, go, was, they. So now we're going to look at the word wall on the next slide, and we're going to look for the words that start with the sound S. So do you know what letter you're looking for? The ones that start with S. All right, I'm going to scan for the letter S. You probably already figured that out. And I'm going to look around at these words until I find S. Did you find it? Yes. Right here it is. So what are the two words that start with S? See and she. Let me ask a couple other questions about our word wall. Can you find the words that start with the letter M? Okay, I hope you found it. There's the letter M, and these are the two words that start with M. Let's read those words. My, me. Now, can you find the words that start with the letter G? There you go. That's the word go. Go and get. So we already answered the questions. The two words that start with the S sound are see and she. Today's rules, you can change the first letter or letters of a word and make a new word. So we're going to start with the word that you can read, cat. There's a little picture of a cat right here. And we're going to change the first sound in cat. We're going to take away the C and we're going to put a B in the beginning. So let's see what that will look like. Now see if you can read this. B-at, bat. You probably already read that, and then you can see the bat here at the bottom. So when we look at the words cat and bat, what we notice is that they have the same ending, A-T, A-T. They look the same at the end and they sound the same at the end. So they rhyme, cat, bat. All right, let's work with some more words. Let's start with cat. And this time we're gonna take away the k, but we're gonna put a in its place. So think about it. What letter will you see that pops up that starts with the sound, or that makes the sound? So you already know it's an M. Let's read our new word, mat. So you went from cat to mat by changing the k to There's a picture of a mat like a welcome mat might be beside your front door. Cat and mat, they have the same ending, A-T. They sound the same at the end. This time we're going to change the beginning letter, the beginning sound, to R. We're going to take away the k and put R in its place. You know what letter is going to pop up? I bet you do. And do you know what this word is? Maybe you've already figured it out. Rat. Oh, there's a picture of a rat. Cat and rat. They look the same at the end. They sound the same at the end. So this time we're going to take away the k and we're going to put two letters in its place. And these two letters make the sound fool. So let's go ahead and click and see what the word's going to look like. I hope that you already had in mind that the sounds fool come from F-L together. Fool, at. And do you know what word if we blend it all together? It makes flat. Like a flat tire that you could have on your car. Cat and flat have the same ending, A-T. But they're different words because their beginnings are different. All right, let's do this again. We're gonna start with cat. We're gonna change the k to brr. Can you think of what two letters make the sound brr? All right, let's click and find out. Is that what you thought? B-R says brr. And now we have the new word, brat, brat. Sometimes maybe your brother or sister, when you guys are not getting along, you might call each other that, a brat. All right, now we're gonna go to the part of our lesson where you're going to need your pencil and your paper so that you can write some words. You're gonna write some at words today. I'd like for you to be able to write 10 words that have the ending AT. And the words or the letters on the screen could help you with your words. If you put them at the beginning of the at sound, you're gonna be able to make some words. All right, pause the video and make your 10 words. So now that you've written your 10 words, if you get a chance, maybe you have those words, maybe you go read those words to somebody in your house, or maybe just read them to yourself out loud right now. Now we are going to write a whole sentence. So I'll need you to listen very closely to the sentence we're going to write. You're going to write the sentence, the cat sees a rat. So I'm going to help you count out the words in that sentence that you're going to write. The cat sees a rat. That was 5 words. All right, one more time, and then I want you to pause the video and write the sentence. You ready to hear the sentence? The cat sees a rat. Okay. Pause the video and see if you can write that sentence down. Now it's time to check your sentence. Let's see if you got all 5 words in there. The cat sees a rat. Did you remember to put a period at the end of your sentence? I hope you did. We're going to do a poem again today. Today's poem is about something yummy. Oh, these are very yummy. I bet you know what they are. Pancakes. So I'm going to read the poem, and I'd like for you to follow along while I point to the words on the screen. Make a pancake. Make a pancake. Pat, pat, pat. Do not make it fat, fat, fat. You must make it flat, flat, flat. Make a pancake just like that. Now we're going to find the words that have the at the end, A-T. So let's look on the first line of the poem. Oh, I found some AT words right here. Pat, pat, pat. How about this line? Do you see any words with AT? Yes, fat. Fat, fat, fat. On this line, flat. Flat, flat, flat. All right, let's look on the last line. Any more words that have the at sound? There it is. That has the at sound at the end. All right, boys and girls, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Tune in tomorrow or for another phonics lesson.